In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Remove app from Slack Workspace. If an integration is no longer needed, causing clutter, or posting unwanted updates, removing it is a quick way to keep your workspace organized and secure. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, along with a few helpful tips so you know what to expect. Start by opening Slack and going to your workspace home. If you're currently inside a channel or direct message, make sure you're on the main workspace view so you can see the full left sidebar. This is where Slack keeps the shortcuts we'll use. Now, look to the left sidebar and move your mouse over the small Settings style gear icon. Don't click just yet. Hovering over it reveals a management menu that gives you access to workspace tools. When that menu appears, click Apps and Workflows. This opens Slack's management area for integrations and automations. It's the central place where you can review what's installed and oversee how apps connect to your workspace. Inside Apps and Workflows, find the app you want to remove. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top to type the app's name so you can get to it faster. When you see it, move your mouse to the right side of that app's row and click the three dots to open the More Actions menu. This menu gives you quick administrative controls for that specific app. In the drop-down that appears, select Uninstall. Slack may show a brief confirmation prompt, and that's normal. Just review the details and proceed. Uninstalling immediately disconnects the app's access to your workspace and stops it from posting messages or reacting to events going forward. Any messages that were already posted by the app will remain in your channels for record keeping, but the integration itself will no longer function. A few quick tips before you wrap up. If you don't see the option to uninstall, your account may not have the necessary permissions. In many workspaces, only owners or admins can remove apps. In that case, reach out to your workspace administrators and share the app name so they can remove it for you. If you removed an app by mistake, you can always reinstall it later from Slack's app directory. Your workspace will just need to reauthorize the connection. And if changes don't appear right away, give Slack a moment to refresh, or reload the app to see the updated list. That's it. You've successfully removed an app from your Slack workspace using Apps and Workflows. Keeping your integrations tidy helps your team stay focused and protects your workspace